Hey, how's it going?
Oh, hey, how you doing?
Thanks for house sitting on such short notice.
No problem. House sitting is my job.
Yeah. How about I give you a tour?
Okay.
Alrighty, and this is the second floor here. Living room, kitchen, and bathroom is right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry to bother you. Who's that?
Oh, that's my friend Erin. Yep. But I'm gonna go upstairs and grab something real quick. So make yourself at home.
Hey. I'm sorry to bother you. I probably can get fired for this, but I just wanted to let you know that I think you are gorgeous.
Oh, thanks. What is so gorgeous about me?
You want me to explain?
Yeah, like what specifically do you think is so great about me?
Well, everything.
Okay. Everything? I mean, that's pretty general. I mean, I feel like guys can call any girl gorgeous no matter what. Like, what specifically do you like about me?
Your facial features.
My facial features?
The bone structure of your face.
The bone, just in general, the bone structure of my face, you like. Okay, well, I don't really have a jawline and my cheeks are, I don't have cheekbones, so. What, you like my nose? Is that it? You like my nose? What, like, be specific, maybe?
That's wild.
I think I'm gonna go use the bathroom.
Oh, okay. Yeah, why don't you go use the bathroom and then you can brainstorm some more descriptive words so that you can tell me how physically attractive I am. Keep it super physical. Only talk about my body and my face, okay? Thank you so much. So what do you think so gorgeous about me?
Your dimples, your dimples.
My dimples? What's going on here, man?
They look like premature vaginas.
What? Are you trying to fuck my face right now? 'Cause I can tell you real quick, it ain't gonna fit.
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know?
Mm-mm.
You don't know? Ew, wash your hands.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, man, what's so gorgeous about me?
I don't know.
You don't know? You gotta come up with something, and it can't be about my physical beauty. My personality, maybe?
Yes.
Yeah?
You're very personable.
Yes, and?
You have a great personality.
And I'm so smart.
You're very smart.
Intelligent.
You're intelligent.
Smart. And aren't I so
Hair.
funny?
You're like the funniest, smartest, best person that I know.
You're just the nicest.
Erin, you can't keep doing this to the house.
No, he likes me.
No, come
he
on,
likes
come
me.
Come
He
on,
likes
come
me.
on,
You don't understand.
come on.
But he likes
Sorry,
me.
I'm so
He
sorry.
likes me.
Come on, I'm
He
sorry.
said I was
Come on,
smart.
Erin.
He said I was smart. He said I was funny.
It's okay.
Nobody's ever called me smart. It's funny.
I'm so sorry.
I'm nurturing. I'm funny.
I'm so
I'm
sorry.
nice.